second when the other team went down super low health. Don't step
I'll
on
give you
me.
a 10-second head start.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jackson.
This is funny. Dang, there's like 4 bikes back here. What?
How low is my phone?
Don't know.
Boy.
Boy. Yes.
Holy cow!
Interesting.
Don't be lying.
I'm not.
I caught you lying a few times.
Oh my gosh.
Remember?
I caught you lying.
Huh?
I caught you lying.
So?
Are you on crack?
What?
Are you on crack?
Yeah! Do the cat thing.
Hey kid, you want crack?
Yeah!
Did you ask your mom?
Yeah!
Did she say yes?
Yeah!
Then let's go get some. Come on.
Oh, yeah!
Come on. Let's go get some. What are those?
Yeah!
Hey kid.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Hey, kid! You want some crack?
Yeah!
How old are you?
850 years old!
What's your name?
Yeah!
Is your name Yeah all the time?
Yeah!
Do you like crack?
Yeah!
Why?
Yeah!
Why?
Cause!
Are you picking your butt?
Yeah!
Are you picking your butt?
Yeah!
Jojo, do that one thing. Jojo.
Come on, follow him.
Yep.
Yep.
Got it on videotape too. Hey, Jojo.
He's going down there.
Uh-oh. We've lost the crackhead kid.
Oh my gosh, where's the crackhead kid?
He might be in that van. Let's see. Nike. We're in the same Uggs. Except mine are trash because of that crackhead kid.
Is this on Musical.ly?
No.
What is it on?
This video.
This camera?
Yeah. Is that him?
I think that is.
Don't see him yet. Jojo! Crackhead kid! Crackhead! Oh my God. Let's go see this. Oh shit. Look it from a different angle. What are you doing, crackhead?
Sonny, you want the rest?
What is it?
No one knows what Pringles are.
Well, I know what Pringles are.
You want the rest?
Sure, what kind are they?
What is he doing now? Oh no, he's turning on a high pitch. Oh, man!
Jojo, where's the controller to the damn box? Get up here and find it. Now.
Oh,
Get up here.
Daddy, I'm
You
serious.
make me come downstairs, Jojo, you're gonna be in trouble.
Daddy, I'm serious.
Stop screaming. Stop screaming.
Help, no.
Get upstairs and stop screaming.
I don't know.
Or you're gonna find it.
And that, kids, is why you don't eat your dad's crack.